Okay, well, it's raining outside today, as you can see, and it really sucks because I really wanted to ride today, but oh well. So I just thought I'd do a bike check. Start up here. Got the Odyssey plastic bar ends, Odyssey Aaron Ross grips. Not sure what kind of bars these are, but I like them. Mission stem with a Sputnik headset. Nitrous OG forks in bright orange. A stock front wheel with a very crappy Mongoose front tire. I hate it, but it's the only thing I have. And some kind of stock peg. The frame is an Eastern Dragon. It's a low profile. I really like it. Rides good. Stolen Thermalite pedals, white. You can tell they're sort of beat up, but I like them. Stock cranks. I guess a stock bottom bracket to a stock sprocket, 25 tooth. Just a plastic seat, integrated seat post, clamp, a Walmart chain. In the back, got a Alienation Black Sheep double wall rim and a Mission React cassette hub with an Eastern burnout tire. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a burnout. I'll go ahead and let you listen to the hub. Sounds real good. I like it. Nice and loud. And that's my bike.